Hello my students, grade 6, how are you? Today we'll explain lesson number 1, data and statistical questions. First, we will know steps or the difference between static and non-statistical questions. The statistical question, you can ask it groups in the class. You can what about the favorite fruits or anything. It will be statistical question. A non-statistical question, you can ask it one only. So the statistical question is a question that can be answered by collecting data and scripts in those data should have different answer. Okay, the statistical question should have different answer. The statistical question is question that have exactly answer. If you have exactly answer, it will be non-statistical questions. But statistical question in groups, okay? Statistical question groups, and we have different answer. If we have different answer, it will be statistical questions. Exact answer, it will be statistical question. For example, here, how old are you? How old are you? Statistical question. But how old are the students in your class? It will be statistical question. Then a statistical question for group, but non-statistical question for a person, one student like this. This is because answer the second question, you would need to determine the ages of all students in your class. There would be verbal in this data since not all students are the same age. Example number 1, statistical or non-statistical question. Number 1, letter A, look at here. What time do the students in your class get up in the morning? The statistical question. Because he asked about all the students, we have different answer here. Then it will be statistical. How many students are in your class? Will be non-statistical question because we have exactly one answer. How many brothers does Mina have? It will be non-statistical because we have exactly one answer. What are the students' favorite colors in your school? It will be statistical questions because we have different answer. How tall was Sandy in the previous year? It will be non-statistical because we have exactly one answer. How many books do the students in your class read per day? It will be non-statistical because we have exactly one answer. Solution here. Well, how many books do the students in your class read per day? It will be statistical. We have different answer here. It will be statistical question. The solution down here. Okay, you can review answer from the book. Okay, letter A. Statistical, letter B non-statistical, and so on. Next question, I will solve with you examples. Now check his answer, statistical or non-statistical questions here. How tall are the students in your class? It will be statistical question. We have different answer here. All students, one another tall. Is the high temperature in Cairo today? It's non-statistical because we have exactly one answer. And next question, what color of Marvina hat will be non-statistical because we have exactly one answer. It will be non-statistical. How many siblings do students in your class have? It will be statistical question. Because we have different answer here. Okay. Now we write numerical and categorical data. What is different between numerical and categorical data? Numerical data like quantities. We call it quantitative data. Quantitative data contains of numbers like height, weight, age, box. We called it what? Quantities data. Quantitative data contains of numbers, but qualitative categorical data contains of words. We have numerical data, meaning quantitative data, and categorical data will be qualitative data. Color, favorite, sport, and so on. Okay, you must know the difference between them. Complete with me: numerical data, quantitative data, numbers like height, weight, each number of books. Categorical data, quantitative data, words, color, favorite, sports, favorite food, all things. Examples number 3. He solves example here. Ask it about numerical data or categorical data. How many beats with students in your class? It will be numerical data because the answer will be numbers. What color here does the students have? It will be categorical data because the answer will be words. What type of favorite fruits do students in your class like best? Answer will be words like banana or fruit, or apples like anything. Then the answer will be words. We called it categorical data. How many siblings students in your class have? Friends answer, but numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, or anything. It will be numerical data. How many apps do students in your class in the phone to numerical data? The answer will be numbers. Check your answer here, categorical data or numerical data. Number 1, how many books students in your class have or read last month? We called it numerical data. Then letter A here, we called it numerical data. Numerical data. Letter B, what types of subjects students in your class like? It will be what? It will be categorical data because the answer will be words. Categorical data. Next question, letter C. How many pages students in your class have? It will be numerical data. Then we notice that numerical contains of numbers and categorical the answer will be words. Okay, next question. Remember the characters of dots. We have dots and graph. Dots we can draw number line and put the answer on this number line. Like this question, for example. This example, we can write number line and put 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5, 6. It will be the number of students who read last month. The title, we have title, box last month. 0 students, 0 box reading, 2 students, and the number of students who read 3 boxes, 1 box it will be 3 students. The number of boxes was 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students read 2 boxes last month. Okay. And from the graph, we have bar graph. We can draw vertical. We have horizontal, favorite color, and vertical numbers. And up here, it will be what? Up. It will be number, and there is a date up. The graph we can suggest the answer like this. The question will solve it. Bar graph. We call it bar graph. Identify which questions statistical or non-statistical. How tall are you? It will be non-statistical. Because non-statistical, the answer will be exactly answer. We have one solution. Exactly, we called it non-statistical. But if we have different answer, we called it statistical. Then the answer here, how tall are you? You have one solution. One solution, it will be non-statistical. Then we must write non-statistical. Number 2, how tall are the students in your class? Have different answer. Different answer, it will be statistical questions. Then statistical questions, we have different answers. Next question, what time did you get up? We have one answer. One answer exactly. Exactly, it will be non-statistical. Then we must write non-statistical here. Next question. What time did the students in your class get up? Different answer. It will be statistical question. What were the high temperature in all of the Egyptian capitals today? We have exactly answer. Then it will be non-statistical. Like the color red, we have exactly answer. Then it will be non-statistical. What are the students' favorite colors? We have different answers here. Then it will be statistical questions. How many letters are in your name? How many letters in your name? It will be exactly one answer. Then it will be non-statistical question because we have one answer. Exactly the answer. What are the heights of the players basketball in the team? We have different answer here. Then it will be statistical question. What is the name of your school? We have one answer. It will be non-statistical. Non-statistical because we have one solution, one answer. How many emails do students in the class write? We have different answers. Different answers will be statistical questions. How many books are on the bookshelf? We have one answer. One answer. Exactly the number. We know the number of books on the bookshelf. Then it will be non-statistical question. How many people do each the students in the class have in their families? We have different answer. If first family 5 and second 3 and so on, we have different answer. It will be statistical question. Letter M, statistical question. Then, how many books did you read this past year? We have exactly answer. It will be non-statistical question. Non-statistical. How many books do the students in the class read per day, per year? We have different answer. It will be statistical questions. How many hours do students in your class watch TV each week? We have different answer. How many hours do students in your class? Different answer. It will be statistical questions. What do sixth grades prefer to eat for lunch? We have different answer. It will be statistical question. Now he asked about numerical or categorical data. Numerical, if the answer contains of digits. If the answer digits, you can tell me numerical like this. How many letters? How many letters do the students in your class have in their first name? We have the answer will be numbers. Okay, numbers. It will be numerical data. Numerical data. Write this word, numerical data. What are the favorite colors of the student in your class? It will be categorical data because the answer will be words. Letter C. How many hours do students in your class sleep at night? Will answer here by digits or numbers. Then it will be numerical questions. Numerical data. What type of moves the students in your class like? It will be categorical data because the answer contains of words. What color eyes do students in your class have? It will be categorical data. Next question. What are the favorite sports in your stat class? It will be categorical data also. Next question. How many people do the students in the class have in their families? It will be numerical data. The answer will be digits, numbers. What if we choose the students in your class like? We can write here categorical data. Categorical data, the answer will be words. What are the scores on your own family made tests in the marking period? What are the scores? He asked about the scores like 3, 4, 5. It will be numerical data. How many beats or students in your class? It will be numerical data. How many beats? It will be numerical data. Okay. 3 from the opposite dot here. Answer the following question. What statistical question do you have been asked to do this dot? How many students are reading or hear the movie seen at the theater last month? How many students seen the theater last month at month number 1? We can write the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students seen movies at the theater last month. Okay, asking about the movies. Number of movies 1, 2, 3, 4. How many students read? See how many students see the number of movies? 1 movies. Or how many students see 3 movies? How many people were served? We can collect together. Collect the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 people. How many people saw 3 movies? How many people see movies? It will be 3 people. 3 people. Then the answer of the question here. How many? We asked about statistical question. You have been asked this dot plot. Statistical question. How many students saw 3, 4, and 5, and 7, and 9, 0, and 1, 10, 3 moves this month? How many people saw 2 movies or more? 2 or more, we can count from 2 to right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The answer here will be 11. How many people don't see any movies? It will be 3 people. 3 people here. How many people saw less than 3 movies? 3 movies. Still less than 3. Look at here. Less than 3. You can count all this. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And the answer here will be 14. Write a statistical question you have from the opposite. This opposite about number of students plus the monthly quiz is the each subject. What's the mark of all students that is? Next question. How many students passed in math class? Math. Answer here, passed math to at least 70 students. How many subjects have at least 60 students? At least 60 students. English and social. English and social. Subjects has the lowest number of students passed the quiz. It will be science. Science. How many more students pass in social than science? We can find the difference. We have 90 here social and science 30. 90 minus 30 is 60. Then the answer here will be 60.